Last evening, a massive fire that broke out at the Mahakumbh Mela, currently underway in UP's Prayagraj. The fire that was extinguished shortly moments after it broke out, but nearly 6 tents and 40 thatched huts that were gutted in the blaze. Now, the fire that broke out in the kitchen of the Gita Press camp, and sources suggest that it was leakage possibly of a gas cylinder that was being used to make chai, and that was the possible reason of the fire. Now, as the fire began, 2 more gas cylinders in the kitchen exploded. That led to multiple thatched huts and 6 tents also simultaneously catching fire. Ultimately, all of that entire area was gutted, including beds, clothes, tables, equipment. However, these were the temporary arrangements that were made for the devotees who are participating in the Grand Mahakumbh. One individual suffered injuries. However, he is said to be out of danger. Thankfully, no casualties or serious injuries that have been reported over this incident. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also dialed UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath over the fire incident in the Mahakumbh.
ये शिविर अखिल भारतीय धर्म संघ और गीता प्रेस से संयुक्त रूप से लगा हुआ है। लगभग 180 कॉटेज बने हुए थे और हमने बहुत सावधानी से बनाए हैं और सबको मना किया गया है कि किसी प्रकार का अग्नि का कोई काम न करे, और वो चल रहा है बिल्कुल निर्मित रूप से। जहां हमने बाउंड्री लगाई है यानी कि पश्चिम की ओर, उस तरफ सर्कुलेटिंग एरिया घोषित किया गया था कि लोग गंगा नहाएंगे। पता नहीं प्रशासन ने किनको वो दे दिया, पंडों को जिसको भी दिया, उस तरफ से वो अग्नि की कोई चीज हमारी इस तरफ आई और फिर वो चिंगारी बन करके धीरे धीरे करते हुए हमारे सारे खत्म हो गए कॉटेज, कुछ भी नहीं बचा। भगवान कृपा से कोई जान की हानि नहीं हुई, कि करोड़ों का माल गया वो अलग बात है।
Now, the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who was present in Prayagraj to oversee the preparations and the conduct of the Mahakumbh, swiftly rushed to the site to inspect the damage, where 15 fire tenders were also rushed to the spot, with 4 teams of the NDRF also reaching to extinguish the flames.
There were 3 cylinders there, and there were barrack type hotments were there. In 8, they were in longitude row. So one of the cylinder blasted and it was followed by other cylinders blasted. So fire got out of control in no time. So UP Fire Services tenders were rushed and we brought it under control. There is no human casualty, and the adjacent, all the camps have been saved because of the urgent action by the department, and there is no human loss.
यहाँ पर 4 टीमें हमारी तुरंत पहुंच गई थी। एक टीम सबसे पहले पहुंची थी, उसके 5-10 मिनट के अंदर 3-4 मिनट के अंदर तो हमारी पहली टीम पहुंच गई थी, और अगले 10 मिनट के बाद हमारी 3 टीमें अलग अलग सेक्टरों से, पास के सेक्टरों से पहुंच चुकी थी।
हम इसी कुटिया में रुके थे। ये गोरखपुर अचानक बताइए। मैं तो जो है नहाने गया था यहाँ पे सामने, एकदम से 5 मिनट के अंदर ही आग सारी पूरा सवा हो गया। हमारी 38 नंबर कुटिया थी, 38 नंबर, सारा सामान उसी के अंदर था, सारा सामान। कुछ वजह समझ में आई सर? नहीं पता, समझ में नहीं। सारे मोबाइल, पैसे, सब कुछ हम तो बिल्कुल बंद करके, हम तो बिल्कुल मतलब सब कुछ रख के ही गए थे वहाँ पे। हमें भी ये पता ही नहीं था कि ऐसा होगा।
हम यहीं पर रुके हुए थे 38 नंबर में जी।
परिवार के कितने लोग थे आपके?
हम टोटल 7 लोग आए हुए हैं दिल्ली से, और हम सामने संगम में नहाने गए हुए थे।
Now, the fire may be doused, but the politics still continue to rage on, as the opposition India bloc lashing out at the UP government, claiming that the fire in Mahakumbh exposes the state government's mismanagement and the lack of preparedness for the mega event. The Congress, however, claiming that the BJP is more focused on marketing rather than actually preparing the event for the devotees.
टेंट में आग लग गई, कई सिलेंडर फट गए हैं। ये कुंभ मेले में जो अवस्था हुई है उसकी पोल खुल गई है, और ये आग उस समय वहां लगी जब प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री महाकुंभ के मेले में मौजूद हैं। उनकी मौजूदगी में सेक्टर 19 में ये भीषण आग लगी है। इस आग के कारणों के लिए एक उच्च स्तरीय जांच होनी चाहिए, और जो इसके दोषी और जिम्मेदार लोग हैं उनके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। प्रदेश सरकार ने जो व्यवस्था करी है उसकी आज महाकुंभ मेले में पोल खुल गई है।
ये केवल और केवल दिखावटी और मार्केटिंग किया इन्होंने। जो धरातल पर तैयारी होनी चाहिए तो वो नहीं हुई है, उसी का खामियाजा है कि आज ये आग लगी है। दुर्घटना कहीं कभी भी हो सकती है, पर जिस तरीके की इनकी तैयारी है वहां पे आप देख सकते हैं कि अब आम लोग बहुत परेशान हैं। और जो सबसे बड़ी जो जानकारी मेरे में आई है कि जिनको जानकारी नहीं है, ज्यादातर काम ऐसे लोगों को दिया गया है, गुजरात के लोगों को, केवल पैसे कमाने के लिए। वो पूरी तरीके से मैं समझता हूं कि वो ठीक नहीं है। जो अनुभवी लोग थे, जो लगातार जो काम करते रहे हैं, उनको दरकिनार करके गुजरात के लोगों को दिया गया है।
Well, with the politics taking place in the opposition raising questions, the BJP has hit back and saying that they should rather refrain from politicizing the matter. The fire incident that has been reported, saying that this hostile nature of politics will neither do any good for the devotees nor for the opposition.
मैं यहाँ आकर के जिला प्रशासन के मेलाधिकारी, मेला प्रशासन के मेलाधिकारी, पुलिस अधिकारीगण, यहाँ के जो जिम्मेदार गीता प्रेस के जो साधु संत हैं, उन सब से मिला और मिलने के बाद ये स्पष्ट होता है कि गीता प्रेस के कैंप में, शिविर में 3 सिलेंडर फटने से आग लगी है। और चूंकि सिलेंडर फटना अपने आप में
सिलेंडर बाद में फटी, पीछे से आग आई, आग लगने से
यहाँ आग का यह प्रादुर्भाव हुआ और उसमें सिलेंडर फटने से कुछ आग का वो व्याप हुआ।
Now let's get in a word from Rishabh, who's joining us live from Prayagraj. Rishabh, as of now, as far as many theories that have been doing the round, especially when it comes to what possible cause could have been of the fire, has that been ascertained? What is the situation as of now? As this morning we also saw that caretakers were coming in to clean up the entire area that was affected and was gutted because of this blaze.
Well, right now, as of now, the actual cause has not been ascertained. The initial report suggested that the fire began in kitchen, but the trustee of Gita Press, while talking to Times Now, says that it wasn't, the fire's source was not from the camp itself. It came from the, adjoining area, circulating area that has been created where a few sails are living because of the wind and the wind direction. A few flames came in from that side, and that caught the camp that has now been gutted. As of now, nothing is certain. The police say that the cylinder blast could be an aftermath, and because there was fire, the cylinders blasted because of the fire. That it could not, the cylinders could not be the primary source of fire, is what we are given to understand. But all of this is under investigation, and we'll have to wait for a proper report to understand what went wrong.
All right, this is all part of the investigation that is probably now taking place with the Chief Minister himself, Rishabh, who came out there to inspect and to monitor the situation. Thankfully, there have been no casualties reported.
Well, definitely, thankfully there hasn't been any casualty, but there were 600 odd people in the camp that has now been gutted. There were 180 such small cottages that were built there by Gita Press, and most of them has now been gutted. The losses in crores is what the trustee of Gita Press, Krishna Khenka, tells Times Now. We have seen a bundle of cash being burned. We have seen, mobile phones. We have seen other electronic items being burned in this fire.
Right.
Whatever could not be evacuated has completely
the entire area
gutted.
that is now being cleared up as far as the affected area where this blaze that was reported last evening. However, when it comes to the control there, that has now been taken on part of the fire brigade. The teams there that were very much present, that extinguished the fire just in time. Thank you very much.